All right, so I just got back from buying all that lumber you see on the floor there. It's all walnut. It's all pretty wide, most of it, because I need a lot of wide pieces. But I got back from the guy that I buy it from. I got his information in the description here, and yeah, I'm pretty excited about this. It's some of the best prices. Well, honestly, the best prices I've ever seen yet, and I've never seen anything better as far as board footage of walnut. He charges $3 a board foot for boards under 8 inches wide, $4 up to 12 inches, and then 5 over 12 inches. And it's ridiculous. Then slabs are $10 a board foot for them. It's really, really good. And it honestly, it makes it affordable to be able to use really nice lumber that way. So I'm pretty excited about it. Again, stuff's in his information's in the description here. And I'm pretty excited. I'm going to move this into the shop, and I'll give it a couple days to acclimate. But I think most of it's between like 13 and 14% moisture right now, and it's pretty good. I'm pretty excited. I'm going to get started on this project. The guy's got stacks and stacks of lumber stickered all over his property there, and he's really nice. He just lets you go through it, and I don't know. I was a little intimidated the first time I ever went because I kind of wanted to, I'd never done it. I didn't want to look stupid. But I mean, I've gone back there 4 times now. And I mean, you just can't beat it when a guy knows what he's talking about and helps you find what you're looking for too. So not bad at all. Not bad at all. It's actually pretty close to my house, a little bit off the beaten path, but it's really less than 15 minutes from my house in the end. So locally sourced, air-dried lumber from a guy here in the town at great prices, and it allows me to build pretty nice furniture. Yeah, I don't know. I think I'm kind of spoiled. I don't know I think I am spoiled because I really don't know what the going rate is for walnut outside of the guy I'm using. I think it's like $5 a board foot just for smaller pieces, and I'm paying $3 for it. So if you're in the Central Virginia area, give this guy a call and then see if he can fit your needs. I don't know if he I don't think he distinguishes between quality of boards, so you're gonna have to look a little bit and decide. But yeah, at least it's an option, especially if you live around here. Isn't that a beautiful sight? Alright, so here's all the scraps I have left over from various projects in the past, plus the lumber haul that I got from a friend that he gave me. They do have some checks down the middle, so we're going to see what we can do with these. Probably going to have to cut them down the middle and use these long runs for something else besides the top, even though I did want to use it for the top. I have these ones here. Some of them are a little bit shorter. Then I have these, which I think can just be interior components, just random pieces from various projects in the past. Most of this wood, I believe, has been drying. Well, the shorter boards have been drying about a year, he said. Like I said, the moisture content's down to about 14%, a little bit less. The longer boards have been there for, I believe, 2 years or more. And then these ones on top were free. He just was like, I don't feel like stacking them, so he gave them to me. All in all, I feel really good about it. I know I have enough material at this point And the total cost of what I got into it, because I got really good prices with this guy. It's all about $200 is what I've got in that pile right there, $200. And whatever money I paid for this in the past for leftovers or was given to me. So I think the total cost of this will be just over $200 because I'll have to do, you know, maybe buy some hardware and things like that, some plexiglass and whatnot. But I'm really excited. I can't wait to get started on this build, but it's not going to happen just yet. I'm going to stack it a little bit better so it has a chance to stabilize in my shop. And I think within the next couple of days, I'll start just giving a quick run over with the floor plane or the scrub plane or something, and just get an idea of what's underneath that. I've tried to pick ones that had knots after long sections, and I'll show you as I do it. But I tried to really go through it. It's difficult to not find knots in this. For me, it's not been easy to find walnuts in general without big knots in it or big figuring or crotches. So this is what I've got, and most of those boards are 12 inches wide, so I feel like I've got a really good chance of getting all the small component pieces I need. And the top will be made up of 2 wider pieces. So here we go. I can't wait. I'm excited for this build. It's been something we've been talking about for a while, so I think it's going to be great. And thanks, and I hope you enjoy the whole series. And at the end of it, I'll make a review or a summary video, and then if I can, I'll make some plans for it. I have a SketchUp file already, but there's some details that I have left to work out about the joinery, about how the casework is going to go together. So that'll be available at the end once I've problem solved everything. So thanks, and I'll see you around for the next one.